Hi guys, it's me again. So I'm here to tell you a little bit about our DNA Aftershock Moisture. This is an in-salon treatment that you can offer your clients, or this could be a retail product for your clients as well. So with our DNA Aftershock Moisture treatment, it is infused with our watermelon seed oil. Guys, it smells absolutely incredible for like a hot summer's day, you know, eating some watermelon. I'm going a story. So with this aftershock, with the in-salon treatment, what you can do is obviously after you've done any chemical service, or if you know that your client do need a nice in-salon treatment, that can pump that hair with moisture again. This is about 80% of our clientele. So we'll shampoo, we'll apply the DNA aftershock. Obviously try and give that nice 10 minutes treatment massage to your client. You can leave this in for 10 minutes, rinse it out, and then follow it up with your favorite conditioner. For at home, they can use exactly the same regime. In salon, you can add heat or put the client in the clamors on, and this is an absolutely incredible treatment while we're on lockdown, so that you can treat your babies while at home. Enjoy.